Hello folks, this is Linus Pauling that I told you about. He got a Nobel Prize for chemistry in 1955. He is, I've done videos on alpha helices, beta sheets of proteins, and their presence in proteins, as well as recent one on electronegativity. He discovered and predicted the alpha helices and beta sheets, and he also developed the electronegativity scale. And he also developed atomic quantum bonding theory. He's a very famous chemist-biochemist from mid-20th century, Linus Pauling. He's extremely famous. Next on the list, James Jewell. I mentioned, well, I'm redoing a video on ionization energies, but James Jewell, when you measure energies of reactions, you measure them in kilojoules. The kJ, the kilojoules, kJ is named after, you don't call it kJ, you call it kilojoules. It's named after James Jewell to honor his work. He laid down the law of conservation of energy. What he actually did was this. This machine here, he filled a drum of water that was completely insulated. Walls were 100% insulated, so no energy could get out or get in. And he basically had a mechanical wheel inside, a paddle wheel, and he rotated this hundreds of times, thousands of times, and he discovered the water temperature rose. And he concluded, because energy wasn't getting in and wasn't getting out through the walls of the lid, he concluded the mechanical energy must be being converted into thermal energy. So that's why he came up with the law of conservation of energy that states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted from one form into another form. Okay? He was also a brewer. Did you get that? So these are completely insulated drums. Energy can't get out or in through the walls. It's got the paddle wheel inside. He rotated it hundreds of times, and he found the heat of the water rose. So he concluded the mechanical energy is converted into thermal energy in the water. That's the law of conservation of energy, which he came up with. He was actually a brewer. He didn't work at university. He brewed beer or something. But he did all his work in his spare time, and he changed physics forever and our understanding of the universe. And he got the Copley Medal. I mentioned Bell in an earlier video. Jocelyn Bell, who got the Copley Medal for pulsars. James Jewell got the Copley Medal as well. And next, the last one is Lord Kelvin. Most people have heard Kelvin Scale. When 0 degrees centigrade is 273 Kelvin. This is named after him, who's a 19th century scientist. He also got the Copley Medal for his work, and he discovered a lot of different things, as you can see. That's what he's known for. He got the Copley Medal. Okay. He came up with the laws of thermodynamics, the first laws of thermodynamics. And I think he's based at Glasgow, but he was a mathematician physicist, a very famous 19th century scientist. Okay.